Hi, I'm Holly McLean, and I'm one of the partners here at Trainli here in Reno, Nevada. And today I'm going to tell you a little bit about a new product that we have that I've been testing for quite a while now on our two railroad tracks here. And it's the S-Kuplix coupler. And what it is it's a much smaller profile hook and loop coupler than your standard size hook and loop. You can see they're quite a bit smaller, and it enables you to run your trains at a lot more prototypical distance between the cars, and these things work great. We have two large railroads, and we've been running these on our trains for quite some time now, and they hold up very well. They work well on tight curves, on mountain climbs, and also for backing up trains. We've never had any problems with these. They work fantastic, and they make your trains look a lot more prototypical in the spacing between the cars. So the installation of these couplers is really quite simple. And it's also great for maintenance and repair, a lot simpler than the larger ones. You start out by removing the little anchor screw, and you'll end up having the coupler, the loop, the hook, and the little spring, the little bushing washer, and your two screws. What you want to do is, and this is very important, that you remove this part from your truck so you have a nice flat smooth surface that this screws down to. If you don't remove this, what will happen is you'll have a very slight angle, and it's just enough that when you do it on multiple cars that the hook will not come all the way down and your cars will come uncoupled on curves or grade changes. So very important that this part is ground smooth so that you have a nice, perfectly flat hook and loop coupler when you install this. And that's very easy to do. We just go ahead and use a Dremel. We remove that, make sure it's nice and smooth. Remove any of the burrs, if there are any. Then you take your loop and your spring with a screw, and we just screw it right back in place. And you make sure that it's sitting there nice and flat. And then you take your hook and your little bushing, place the screw into the bushing, and put your loop right here, hook it up to the spring. And this is what is really nice when, if at any time in the future your hook breaks or your spring breaks, all you have to do is undo the screw. You no longer have to worry about prying this apart or breaking it and putting a new one in. Keeps it very simple for repairs and maintenance on the car. And the little flat part of the bushing goes right up against the flat part of the loop. And you tighten that down until your screw stops, and there you go. So you'll really enjoy these. These work extremely well. Give us a call at Trainli or on the website. We'll be happy to tell you anything more about it. And they come in two colors, black and gray. Give us a call at Trainli, and you'll be really pleased with these hook and loop couplers.